Full HD Mini DV Camera G007 by SIRGAWAIN. Step 1. Charging. Attention. Always charge the camera before use. Camera may be charged while recording. Connect USB cable to 5-volt charger and plug into electrical outlet. A flashing red light indicates charging. Permanent red light indicates a full charge. The camera will be hot during operation and charging. Do not worry, this is normal. Step 2. Use TF micro SD card up to 32 GB 10 class, not included. Insert TF card. The electrical contacts of the card should face the camera lens. Step 3. Turning on and power off the device. To turn on the camera, press and hold the on-off button until the blue indicator light turns on. HD 720p standby mode. In standby mode, the device automatically shuts down after 1 minute. To shut down the device, stop recording if the device is recording. Press and hold the on-off button for 6 seconds. Types of modes. Cyclic switching between modes. To turn on the camera, press and hold the on-off button until the blue indicator light turns on. With the blue LED on, click the on-off button once to begin recording. The blue LED flashes 3 times. Then, the LED turns off and the recording begins in 720p. Click the on-off button again to stop video recording. The LED returns to blue. This is standby mode, 720p. To change to full HD 1080p, click the mode button once. The LED turns from blue to blue and red. Click the on-off button once to begin recording. The LED flashes blue and red 3 times. Then, the LED turns off and recording begins in 1080p. Click the on-off button again to stop video recording. The LED returns to blue and red. This is standby mode, 720p. To change to photo mode, click the mode button once. The LED flashes from blue and red to red. This is standby photo mode. Take a photo by pressing the on-off button. To use HD 720p, click the mode button once. The LED turns from red to blue. Each time pressing the mode button once, you will go in a circle from 720p mode to 1080p mode, then to photo mode, and back to 720p. Special modes. Night vision modes. Boot into any standby mode, HD 720p, Full HD 1080p, or photo shooting. Press and hold the on-off button for 3 seconds until the red light flashes twice to indicate that the infrared night vision lamp is on. After aforesaid operation, the selected shooting mode is displayed again. Infrared camera lights are also turned on. Lights are not visible to the eye. Note, to detect the infrared, look at the LED through a phone's camera. May be detected through any video recording device, portable video cam, cam of the cell phone, etc. Click the on-off button once to begin recording. There is no LED indication during recording. Push the on-off button again to stop recording. To deactivate the infrared night vision light, turn off standby mode. Press and hold the on-off button for 3 seconds until the red light flashes 3 times. This will shut down the infrared night vision and return the camera to standby mode. Night vision infrared lamp. Look at the LED through the phone's camera. Motion detection. To activate, boot into any standby mode, HD 720p, Full HD 1080p, or photo shooting. Press and hold the mode button for 3 seconds until it flashes 4 blue/red lights and the LED goes off. That initiates motion detection video mode, detecting any moving objects and recording video that is automatically saved in 5-minute files. If there is no moving object, device remains in standby mode and video recording stops until the lithium battery charge runs out. If any movement is detected, video recording is resumed. To deactivate, stop the detection mode by pressing the on-off button. The camera returns to standby mode. Motion detection and night vision modes do not run simultaneously. Camera may be recording while charged. Turn on the camera, click the on-off button once to begin recording. Then connect the camera with a USB cable to the power pack or to 5-volt charger. A flashing red light indicates charging. Click the on-off button once to begin recording. Also, the camera will start recording automatically when charging, if a memory card is inserted into the camera. Click the on-off button again to stop video recording. A flashing red light indicates charging. If you are having difficulty working or setting up the camera, contact us immediately through Amazon. We will help you within 24 hours.